Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok not opening. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok not opening, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about TikTok. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, then you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.